टू टीयर सिटीज से भी मॉडल्स आते हैं, बहुत जगह से आते हैं. दे हैव गॉट लॉट ऑफ ड्रीम्स. अगर वो बैकअप नहीं होता है तो उनके लिए क्या स्ट्रगल पॉइंट रहता है. सब तो नहीं पहुंच सकते उस मुकाम पर.
मॉडलिंग करना है, ऑफ कोर्स आप टैलेंट में भाग लो, आगे करो, एंड देन यू गो टू बॉम्बे एंड
में जो बोलते हैं कि स्कोप है सबके लिए, इज दैट ट्रू या नहीं है? दे हैव टू कम बैक.
स्कोप दुनिया में है.
Sari Mood, that's your brand which you have launched here in Odisha. So in this Indulge salon, how did this idea come to your mind? Just go for this, just sarees and not any other sector.
So Sari Mood, I launched it a year back. And now my devotional song, which is out, which is there on all the leading platforms, Krishna Vandana.
Hi, I have with me a versatile personality today, Mugdha Vera Godse. A Bollywood actress, a supermodel. She has been semi-finalist in the Femina Miss India 2004, and her first movie was directed by Madhur Bhandarkar, that is Fashion, and she has been a great actress, and her role was absolutely really inspiring. I watched that movie yesterday also, though I had watched it, but I again watched it because I just loved it. It is really a very practical movie, and her role really touched my heart. So Mugdha, it's really great to have you here.
Thank you.
I was really waiting for this moment. I watched this movie last night again, and my husband was like, "फिर से देख रही है." I was like, I wanted to recall that role again because I had watched it long time back. And your role has been really great because you have been a supportive friend, and I don't know, somehow that vibe comes from you that you are a very supportive person.
It's great writing.
Yes.
Which is very rare at times, but sometimes these days with some great content, great writing makes great characters,
Right.
and great directors make great actors. And then that was my first film.
Right.
I didn't know acting and per se before, but after that I discovered an actor inside me.
Okay.
And I think it was just perfect opportunity, and this everything fell into place.
Right. Great. So you had been from a very humble background. What has life taught you when you grew? थोड़ा सा होता है ना, एकदम से सक्सेस आता है, कुछ चेंजेस आते हैं.
एकदम से सक्सेस नहीं आया था मुझे. I have been modeling for 10 years before that.
Right.
And those 10 years were also not sudden. It was like a graph was going. So when Passion happened, the graph touched its peak,
Okay.
and it kept on growing up. But then it's a graph, life graph, and everything.
Right.
It is going down, and now it is picking up again, or you can say stable, or there's no graph now. I can see it.
Okay.
क्योंकि क्या होता है, see, as you grow in life, I met my master, my spiritual master, Shri Tarnev ji, 10 years back.
Okay.
11 years back rather. And gradually my perception towards life has changed.
Okay.
That's why I said graph है नहीं है, अभी फर्क नहीं पड़ता ग्राफ ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे आ रहा है.
Right.
Because now you are in that state where you are just working and enjoying life,
Right.
and you are in devotion, and things are just happening beautifully.
बट उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं हुआ लाइक एकदम से इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मिला फैशन का, तो होता है ना कि द मोमेंट यू गेट इट एंड यू आर लाइक बहुत ज्यादा सिर पे आ जाता है एकदम से, राइट?
No, see, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Right.
If you listen, I'm trying to tell you that only. For me, it was not a milestone.
Okay.
Because
Right.
it was just another job for me. I was doing fashion shows, I was
Right.
doing this, but when the movie released, it changed my life. And it didn't change, it changed overnight for people. But for me, I was the same person who slept last night and woke up and movies become a hit. And then gradually things change.
Right.
And then that's why I was talking about the graph. But by the time I was understanding the graph, because then 2-3 movies become hit, then people think, oh, you're one star wonder, or all those things. But that's not what it is. So that's why when I say I met my spiritual master,
Right.
my whole idea changed.
Okay.
If I wouldn't have met him,
You met him recently?
I
or-
met him 11 years back. I just
Okay.
told you.
Okay.
I met him 11 years back,
Uh-huh.
and my life has got a different meaning.
Mhm.
So the thing is, so that's why I said the graph, yes, no, whatever, it doesn't matter because
Right.
now you're not looking at a goal or a destination. You're enjoying the journey.
Right.
वो literally जो बोलते हैं ना अभी आजकल spirituality में जो बोल रहे हैं,
Right.
so enjoy the journey, don't
True,
wait for the
true,
destination. I'm living it.
Wonderful.
Of course, it's not easy. We have moods, we have thoughts which take you away from your कि बह जाते हैं उन
True,
भावनाओं में.
Absolutely.
But
उसी को कंट्रोल करने के लिए क्या करना
controls,
चाहिए?
see, I have my master's grace. We do practice, we chant. So I have just sung a new Krishna Vandana.
I would like to hear. Please.
Yeah,
If you could
so it's
sing.
a devotional song.
Right.
It's 108 names and qualities of Lord Krishna.
Okay.
And it's again one of the greatest blessings from my master. उन्होंने ही lyrics दिए हैं, music वही create हुआ है. हमने एक book भी लिखा है, राहुल
Okay.
देव और मैंने इस पे एक किताब लिखी है,
Right.
कृष्ण वंदना, जो कैसे ये miracle हुआ. So उसमें it's a very beautiful story and our lives are so blessed, I can tell you.
Right.
So when we talk about fashion, कि लाइफ चेंज हुई, उस टाइम इतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. उतने बहुत लोग ये बोल रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं कि ये हो गया, और नाउ यू आर अराइव्ड, यू हैव वी आर अ स्टार नाउ.
Right.
बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, यू नो, वो अंतरा साथ में लेके घूम रहे हैं, बट क्यों चाहिए? Of course, you need certain things. Then on red carpet, don't dress up too sexy or too modern, or you
Okay.
may not get roles. So we were not dressing up that much, and but suddenly then the trend, Sonam Kapoor got the Vogue trend, and everything just became fashion oriented. Now today
Right.
everybody looks glamorous.
True.
So so my thought process went through a lot of different variables,
Right.
but I'm thankful that I'm here today chatting with you. That means एक बहुत अच्छी journey हुई है.
Of course.
And I give the whole credit to my Guruji because he changed the course of my life. Because he changed the course of my thought process. ऐसा एक मौका आता है लाइफ में जो आपकी लाइफ बदल देता है, but you realize that later.
Right.
I'm not saying I did wrong things or something, but बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, वो करना. I had wrong people taking care of my work. So right projects didn't happen. But then eventually I feel it is prarabdh. जो होना होता है वो होगा.
Absolutely.
And I'm really thankful that that movie has given me a lot of things. उसके बाद All the Best आई, Jail आई,
Right.
and there was a beautiful film like Help. It was
अभी
a
आगे
horror
भी और
film.
आ रही हैं?
There are a lot of OTTs are coming up.
Oh,
अभी see, that's what ना, that time सिर्फ movies चल रहा
I
था.
know.
अभी OTTs आ गया है.
True, true.
So people
Absolutely.
are so there is so much work for every actor. If you have a skill and if you're a good actor,
Right.
you will be busy.
And you are a wonderful actor. without
Thank you for
any
that.
doubt.
Thank you for that.
So, supportive, if I say supportive friend, you must be having very good friends, I'm sure. And you must be very supportive, just like the way you had performed in fashion.
Frankly speaking, no. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not a friend like that. I don't have much friends.
Okay.
I have my like Rahul is my friend and my partner. My guru is my best friend. I can call it. I confide in him everything. And वैसा दोस्त, it's very beautiful to have such kind of friends. Acquaintances बहुत आते हैं, लोग आते हैं, help करते हैं when we go our ways.
Right.
But वो एक साथ में रहने वाला, I'm not. I don't have that friend, and I'm not that friend to somebody else. Also, I'm not going to lie. I would love to be. Means
Right.
I would love to be because ऐसा एक किसी का help बनना और stand like एक स्तंभ बन के रहना, it's
True,
very
true.
difficult. मुझे ये मौका भी नहीं मिला है. So I don't want to, means ऐसा नहीं कि I have betrayed anybody. I have not, but वो आया ही नहीं है. I enjoy my company. I have मेरे 2-3 जो friends है, बस उनके, and then I'm happy. I'm doing my work. I need to do my sadhana. I need to grow. And if there are like-minded people, you meet and you
True.
grow ahead. right.
So, Sari Mood, that's your brand, which you have launched here in Odisha. So, in this Indulge salon,
Mm.
how did this idea come to your mind to go for this just sarees and not any other sector?
So Sari Mood, I launched it a year back.
Mhm.
It's an online portal, and
Okay.
it's another huge blessing from my master.
Okay.
When I say गुरु जी को एक शिष्य को क्या करना है, कहाँ वो उभर के आएंगे,
Right.
पता होता है.
Mhm.
He told me
Okay.
कि you should do this and
Right.
only sarees, because there is no brand like this who does only sarees.
Right.
सब दुपट्टा करते हैं, शॉल करते हैं, कुर्ते करते हैं. There is no only saree brand. There are of course few in this down south, and of course, but those are all
Right.
old traditional heritage से आते हुए
Right.
brands, which is very beautiful.
Right.
We all know Nalli and all we
Yeah,
can talk
yeah, of
about, and
course.
so beautiful brand. I
Right.
love those sarees. I have
Yeah.
many of them in my house, in my
Mhm.
cupboard. But I'm trying to say, so he told me you should do this, and I was like, I'm acting, I'm modeling, and I should now be an entrepreneur. But when a guru tells you, you just
Mhm.
गोता खा लेते हो आप और आप करते हो. I was very scared, and I'm still learning and doing a lot of
Mhm.
things, but it's a beautiful journey. I'm learning so many things, and it's keeping me so busy, and it's best way to connect with people, different way, and it all cohesive with my career.
Right.
And I personally love sarees. I love
Mhm.
wearing sarees. People say I look good in sarees, so I
Yeah,
am a
of course.
good representative of my own brand. So it all works great.
Right.
And now my devotional song, which is out, which is there on all the leading platforms, Krishna Vandana.
Yeah, I'm
So-
waiting to hear.
Yeah, I'll sing it towards the end. We can
Okay,
end with that
podcast.
because it changes the whole atmosphere, because it's a devotional song. It's
Yes,
Krishna ke bare mein
Of
hai.
course.
Of course, it's a 15 minutes long song because there's chorus and all, but I'll just
Mhm.
sing like one line so
Sure,
you
sure.
get it,
Anything.
and then you can hear it. A lot of people जो सुनते हैं सुबह उठ के बोलते हैं कि we play Krishna Vandana.
Right.
See, it's a blessing come to me.
Mhm.
So I wanted to spread it to the world.
Great.
That's
Wonderful
what I
thought.
want to do. So there are so many feathers in my cap, and with the blessing of my master, I can give justice to each one,
Mhm.
and creativity happens, and it comes out in the most beautiful way. And each time I wake up and I say, आज मैं क्या अलग करूं, आज मैं क्या इसको कैसे उभारूं.
Mhm.
So this is how Sukirti and we were talking, and she said, why don't you do a pop-up at my place,
Right.
at Bridal Mall in Bhubaneswar.
Mhm.
And I was like, we are an online portal. I never
Right.
done a pop-up. So she's like, let's start and let's see the
Sure.
response, and then we'll do it every month, or we'll
Right.
continue it, or whatever.
Sure.
So she pushed it, and you know how Sukirti is. She's an
Right.
enterprising woman and
Absolutely.
amazing personality. And उन्होंने एक बार ठान ले ली कि हो
वो
जाता
तो
है.
है पक्का.
So she really pushed me, and then I said, let's do it.
Yeah.
And this is where we are. And
Great.
so I'm really happy that new feather in Sari Mood's cap also,
Mhm.
that this is
True,
first pop-up
true.
has happened in Bhubaneswar.
Great.
And we got a very, very good response, and
Right.
people are loving the saris. And और क्या चाहिए?
Amazing. So, when I talk about modeling industry,
Hmm.
you had been into that field since long.
Hmm.
यहाँ पे जैसे 2 tier cities से भी मॉडल्स आते हैं, बहुत जगह से आते हैं. They have got lot of dreams. अगर वो बैकअप नहीं होता है, तो उनके लिए क्या स्ट्रगल पॉइंट रहता है? सब तो नहीं पहुंच सकते उस मुकाम पे.
See, आज लाइफ चेंज हो गई है, जमाना
बट
बदल
मुंबई
गया
में
है.
जो बोलते हैं कि स्कोप है सबके लिए, इज दैट ट्रू या नहीं है? They have to come back.
स्कोप दुनिया में है. आजकल लोगों को घर में बैठ के स्कोप है. यू आर डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट सिटिंग इन भुवनेश्वर,
Right.
and you're reaching to the world. You don't need to go to Bombay.
True, true.
So जिसमें हमें काम करना है, स्कोप सबको. Earlier we used to click our pictures and we used to
Right.
distribute it to every agency or something
Right,
to
right,
get
right.
ads or go for auditions.
True.
Today everything is happening online. You put an you have an Instagram account, that's your
Right.
address.
True.
So you put an Instagram account and you
Mhm.
say this is my account. People see the pictures, see latest pictures, old pictures, what all you have done. So
Right.
it's like a resume, एक कुंडली है आपकी.
True, true.
So today the world has changed. When we did things,
Mhm.
things were changed. We are the 80s kids. Like
Mhm.
I don't know what is 80s, what is 90s, but I was born in 80s, so I'll be
Mhm.
call myself 80s. 90s
Right.
में हमें थोड़ी teenage आता है.
Right.
So I'm a little confused with the thing that when they say 90s kids, and then 90s kids don't know the 90s because they are not teenagers, no? So,
Right.
anyways, so we are the generation where we have seen no phones,
Right.
then the train phones, and then computers, big ones.
Yeah.
Then धीरे धीरे internet coming, and then धीरे धीरे the big mobile phones, and then the chotu Nokia ones, and then
Right.
this. So we all had that yellow Nokia phone, I'm sure.
Right.
And then Facebook has
Right.
entered, and we don't know what to do, and we used to go to internet cafes
Right. Right.
to
Yeah, I remember.
go to, and then getting a Wi-Fi at home,
Right.
and then doing then now everything is on your tablet or your
Right.
phone. So
Right.
you know it's changed. So opportunities have changed.
Absolutely.
जरिया बदल गया है.
True.
So coming back to a question, जो small cities वगैरह आजकल इतने pageants हो गए हैं.
Right.
Some people are giving platforms to they will eventually come to Mumbai for work because ये
Right.
मुंबई नगरी है, काम है, वहाँ पे सारा काम होता है. But if you want to be an influencer, you don't need to come to Mumbai. You
True.
can be anywhere and influence people. So
Absolutely.
influencer is a new podcasting.
True.
It's a new profession, I can say,
Absolutely.
which is amazing. So it all depends. Then then things can continue, and
True.
now modeling and acting has become very mixed.
True.
So yeah, they have a lot of great ways which we didn't have.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking to you.